Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own washi tapes. So stay tuned. The things that you need, you're going to need, now I'm going to be using a masking tape. This is also known as the painter's tape. And then a toilet roll, and I'm going to be using a few markers, 2 Sharpie markers and 1 permanent marker, and then a scissors, a pair of scissors, and ruler. Yes, I have 2 with me, you can just use 1. And it's better to use a long one, okay? And then a sellotape, a pencil just in case I want to mark something, and then a blade. Okay, so now, oh, you also need like a surface where you can easily pull out your masking tape. Let's get started. So now I have measured mine. Measured as in I've actually checked how much I need. So wait, first of all, I'm going to take my toilet roll and I'm going to cut it. I don't want this edge. Okay. Now I'm gonna just roll it. The sellotape. Now take your washi tape. Sorry, take your masking tape and just place it on your surface. Okay. I'm gonna try this first, okay? I'm just using my marker, some sort of design. I'm making this for my Ravenclaw planner theme. I think I screwed it up a little bit, but it's okay. Okay. We're not done yet. I'm gonna use this and make some silver stripes. Just in the middle. This thing. Okay, I'm almost done. You know what I feel like? And I'm gonna add this in the middle. See, now we get a different shade of blue. More like the Ravenclaw blue. Okay. I'm actually leaving some of the first blue at the edges because I want that to be there. Okay. Sort of like a border of a darker shade of blue. Almost done. Okay. Yeah, just blowing it up a little bit. So now I'm going to just measure roughly and find the midpoint. This is about 2.5, so the midpoint should be around 1.25. So okay, I'm gonna mark. Okay, now I'm gonna take my blade. It's already open, and I'm gonna just cut it. Let me try. I'm pulling it really slowly. Ooh! Oh my gosh. Never mind, this is a very old book. And it's ready. Okay. This is the washi tape that I made. That's so cool. Yeah, it looks like the scarf. The Ravenclaw scarf. Now I'm gonna just roll it around. Like this. The color of the marker is actually sticking to my hand. Oh, this is such a sticky business. Okay. Just there. Maybe the other one. Okay. Okay. This is the first time I'm doing this, and I feel like it's a little messy. Apart from that, it's fine. I don't like the fact that it's sticking to my fingers. Okay. Running. Of course, it doesn't look like. Of course, it doesn't look like the one you buy in the store, but it's okay. Now I'm going to be making another one like that. So I'll be right back. Hi guys. So I'm back, and I just finished adding one more layer of masking tape. So this is my DIY washi. Have a look. Yeah, of course it's not as perfect as the one we find in the store, but it is something that works. So I can't wait to try this. I'll be trying it when I make my Ravenclaw lemon spread. Okay, so I'll do it tomorrow. Anyway, thank you for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!